You sit down to focus. You've got water, a to-do list, even instrumental music playing. You're ready. And then your phone buzzes. You check one message, which leads to an Instagram reel, which leads to a meme, which leads to Googling, "Do pandas have tails?" 20 minutes gone, zero work done. Your concentration? Missing. Presumed scrolled. If that sounds familiar, relax, you're not alone. Our brains are struggling, and a lot of it has to do with modern life being engineered for distraction, especially by that tiny glowing rectangle you carry everywhere, technology. You see, our brains evolved to focus on one thing at a time, like spotting danger in the bushes or deciding if that mushroom is edible. But now, we're juggling WhatsApp pings, Slack dings, Chrome tabs, Spotify playlists, and 5 thoughts about dinner. This constant stimulation pulls our attention in 100 directions. Your brain's trying to work while being interrupted every 40 seconds. It's like reading a book while someone pokes you repeatedly with a stick. That stick is your phone. But it gets worse. Technology trains your brain to crave quick hits of dopamine. Every notification, every swipe, every scroll gives you a tiny jolt of, "Ooh, what's next?" It rewires your attention span to expect novelty every few seconds. So when it's time to focus on something slower, like writing, reading, or thinking deeply, your brain starts twitching like a toddler without snacks. And then there are the basics. Poor sleep, dehydration, and a lack of real breaks make it harder to filter distractions. Your body might be sitting in front of your work, but your mind is wandering through a swamp of unfinished thoughts and open browser tabs. Stress also steals focus. When you're anxious, your brain prioritizes survival, not spreadsheets. You're mentally rehearsing worst-case scenarios while physically staring at your task, except you're doing neither very well. Underlying conditions like ADHD or depression can also contribute. And environment plays a role too. Clutter, noise, all working on a screen that has every app known to mankind doesn't help. We've basically built digital obstacle courses and expected our brains to run through them blindfolded. So, how do you fight back? Start by decluttering your digital life. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use website blockers. Close those 47 open tabs. Your brain will breathe a sigh of relief. Next, work with your attention span, not against it. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of deep focus, then a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. It trains your brain to expect focus in short bursts, like interval training, but less sweaty. Get your basics right. Hydrate, sleep, and take real breaks. Not TikTok breaks, real ones. Step away. Stretch. Go outside. Talk to a human, or look at a tree. Your brain needs offline time, like a device on airplane mode. And if you're still struggling, don't panic. You're not broken, you're a normal person in an overstimulated world. Concentration is a skill, not a personality trait, and it can be rebuilt. So, next time your brain tries to convince you that you urgently need to check if otters hold hands while sleeping, breathe. Close the tab, focus, and remind yourself, the deepest thoughts and best work happen in the silence between distractions.